Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture of module 9 of Revit architecture. In this module, we'll be talking about how to make shaft openings in our project. So for shaft openings, we need to go on architecture tab here, and then we have the shaft option here. So we need to go on floor plan first, and then click on shaft opening here, and then different interface similar to the wall and any other ceiling structure comes up, and then you need to draw the shaft boundary. So for shaft boundaries, I'll be going with the rectangle. I will draw some structure here. I'll turn on the hidden line. So now the structure is more clear, and then I'll use the now deleted that so that now it's a closed loop. So once this is ready, then I need to set the top constraint as level 5 so that the shaft opening is from till level 5, and there's a base offset of 150 mm, and then once the line is the boundary is complete, then click on finish edit here. Now I'll go to the 3D view. Yeah, now we can see this shaft opening from level 1 to level 5. So if you change this to level 3 here, now see, you can see that the shaft opening is still level 3 on. So that's how you make a shaft opening here. And now if you want to edit the boundaries again, then go to level floor plan, level 1, and then just click on edit sketch, and then you can just change the dimension however you want. And then there's this symbolic line option. This is usually architects use this symbolic line to mark the shaft opening. So these won't be visible in the 3D view, but in the floor plan it will be visible. So that's how architects usually indicate floor plan. So now you can see in 3D view. Yeah, the dimension has been changed, and yeah, you can edit sketch here also, but it's very difficult. So we usually do it on the floor plan. And again, if you want to change this dimension, you need to go and edit sketch and then just change the dimension however you need it. So once it's over, then you need to trim the extended parts and then click on done here. So that's how you make the shaft opening.